In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Uber data, whether you're a driver or a rider, whether you want to keep track of your earnings or review your personal data. I'm here to guide you through each step of this simple process. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up the Uber Help website. If you're a driver, you can also access your data directly through your driver dashboard. This is where all of your essential information is stored and made accessible specifically for situations like this. Once you're on either of these platforms, you'll need to log in to your Uber account. Now, it's really important to ensure that you're using the correct login credentials associated with your account to avoid any access issues. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. If you're a driver, look for a section titled something like Earnings or any area that allows you to view your earnings details. For riders, you'll want to identify the section linked to your personal data. These sections are specifically designed to give you a comprehensive view of your data and make the download process seamless. Now that you've found the relevant section, it's time to select the specific period you're interested in. Whether it covers a week, a month, or even an entire year, this is where you can specify the time frame for the data you wish to download. The platform typically provides a user-friendly date selector that assists you in choosing the start and end dates for your desired period. After selecting your desired period, look for an option to download or export your statement. Often you'll see a button or link that says download or export, making it straightforward and hassle-free to obtain your data. This action will trigger a download, usually as a CSV file, which you can then review in spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. It provides a detailed breakdown of your selected data period, allowing you to review, analyze, or keep these records for your personal files. Before you conclude, ensure that the download was successful by opening the file and confirming the data meets your expectations. If you encounter any issues, you might want to revisit the Uber Help website or FAQ section. Uber has built-in resources and a support system to address most common problems related to data downloads. So there you have it. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to download and access your Uber data in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your experience with Uber a bit more straightforward. If you found this useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and walkthroughs. Enjoy the rest of your day.